Welcome back. So next is HTML tag attribute. This is very important. So here you can see attribute provides additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag, and attribute usually come in name slash value pairs, like name equal to value. So this is the lang attribute that is representing language. So basically, as an example, if I have to specify English as the language, so I am going to use lang equal to en, that is for English. So I am just, this is the HTML, and I am specifying the language as English by using this attribute. So another example is I am using a font and I am writing some text. As an example, I am using HTML tag and I am specifying the color as red, or font color is red. Okay, background color as yellow. So these are some other attribute. So basically it provide additional information about elements. Okay, so that's pretty much about this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.